Welcome. Today I will show you how to clean your Windows 11 to free up space and make your PC faster. Let's begin. Step 1. Prefetch files. Right-click Start menu and select Run. Type prefetch and press OK. Click OK again if needed. Press Ctrl A to select all files, then Ctrl D to delete them. If some files don't delete, just skip them. Step 2 is delete temporary files. Open Run, type temp and press OK. Again, select all files and delete them. Also do the same with %temporary folder. Step 3. Delete Windows Update files. Go to this PC, C drive, Windows and software distribution, and then download. Delete all files in this folder. If asked, confirm as administrator. Step 4. Run disk cleanup. Click Start menu and type disk cleanup. Check all boxes and click Clean up system files. And that's it. Your Windows 11 is now cleaner and faster. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.